Hi everyone. In this video, I am explaining about introduction to power systems. Power systems means entirely the power in the systems. The power means the electric power. It is the rate per unit time at which electrical energy is transferred. SI units of power is watts, that is 1 joule per second. And the system means assembling of equipment to perform a specific task. We are considering the equipment, and that equipment are assembled in order to transfer the electrical power from the generation point to the consumer premises. This is the task, the specific task, and we are going to assembling the equipment. Okay, this entire one is called as power systems. These power systems is divided into two main parts. One is the generation, and the second one is the transmission and distribution. Generation, one is the generation, and second one is the transmission and distribution. For this generation, that is generation of electrical energy. The transmission and distribution, that means transfer of electrical energy which is generated here, that is at the generating station, to the consumer premises. To the consumer premises, that is the load. Okay. For this operation, for entire this operation, I am going to consider some equipments or an apparatus in order for the generation of the electrical energy and to transfer to the consumer premises through a large amount of network called transmission and distribution network. Okay, and here this entire thing is called as power systems, and this is also an industry, power industry. Okay, for the erection of this industry, I am considering the two basic important points. See here. The first one is minimum of expenditure in order to getting maximum of output, and the second important point for this electrical section, that is a less power interruption to the consumers. See, and the entire system I am considering a single line diagram by the consideration of equivalent symbols. We are considering the equipments for the generation of the electrical energy and for the transmission and distribution of the electrical energy to the consumer premises. Okay, this one is the equivalent symbol for the generation, nothing but the generator. Okay, and by the consideration of the transmission line, we are transfer the power which is generated at the generating station to the load called the consumers. The load is called the consumers. Here, in between the one from generating station and the transmission line, we are placing a transformer, and for the transmission line and then to the load, we are placing again the transformer. The transformer, why? Because we are placing the transformer in order to step up the voltage value, okay, at the sending end, and we have to step down the voltage value at the consumer premises. What is the need in order to step up and step down the voltage values? That is in order to decrease the losses, system losses. This is the transformer. This is the transformer. Okay, this is step up transformer. This one is the step down transformer. Okay, by the consideration of these transformers, we are decreasing the losses, system losses. This step up transformer increasing the value of voltage, and this is a step down transformer. This is decreasing the value of voltage. Why? Because you are increasing the value of, we are using the transformers here in order to decreasing the losses, system losses. Okay, this entire system is called as a power system. This entire system is called as power system. Power system. For the efficient operation of the system, for this entire system, I am considering the protection. For the efficient operation, I am considering the protection. Okay. In order to satisfy the second important point for the erection, that is the less power interruption to the consumers. In order to satisfy that point, I am considering the protection aspect in the entire power system. Okay. This is the entire concept of power systems, introduction part of power systems. Thank you.